Morning, everybody. It is the next day. It is a winter wonderland outside. Let me just show you. The camera can't even pick it up because it's so white. But the roads are bad. Like, I can't even see the road over there. And it is just a snowstorm. This is apparently the worst it's been in years. I was making us some eggs. And I wrapped a lot of presents last night. Well, actually, no. I wrapped the presents last night. No. There's our little elf on the shelf, Sparky. Yes, I did bring home my Nespresso. I just need it.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree.
Okay, so all that's really on the to-do list today is to just work on YouTube stuff. So I have Final Cut Pro open, so I'm just gonna edit this or yesterday's vlog. I literally don't even think I even ended off the vlog yesterday, so I need to do that. So this is Vlogmas Day 20 that I need to edit right now. So let's get crack-a-lackin', got the vibes, and of course the snowstorm outside, so. So I was in the middle of filming a plan with me video so that could go up. So I'm gonna wrap my sister's presents and film that for you guys.
It's December again, I can't believe it. Whatever happened to the rest of the year? It went by so fast, I barely did see it. Now I'm calling all angels high, if you are there, help me find the Christmas spirit again. The Christmas spirit again.
Every single present underneath this tree, I wrapped. I did that. I wrapped every single one of these, but that's just because I love wrapping, so. And then my mom's making me cookies.
Your protein cookies.
My cookies. Oh, so good. But I need to get back to filming my plan with me video.